Good morning, students. Today we discuss a very small topic, redox reaction. Redox reaction. And in this topic, in this redox reaction, very small topic and very important for JEE Mains, NEET as well as in our board examination. And I hope we are make it easy. How make it easy for examination we discuss here. Before that, I told you what do you mean by redox reaction. What do you mean by redox reaction? If in a chemical reaction, oxidation and reduction both occur simultaneously, this is known as a redox reaction. I repeat again, if in a chemical reaction, oxidation as well as reduction both occur simultaneously, that is known as redox reaction. And I hope you know everyone how we can define oxidation, how we can define reduction process. In very small segment, I say here the oxidation. We can say here adding of oxygen, or we can say adding of electronegative element. Not only adding of oxygen, but also we can say here or removal of hydrogen, and we can say removal of electropositive element. Okay, and also we can define for reduction. Or we can say in the reduction process, adding of hydrogen or adding of electropositive element, and then we can say removal of oxygen or removal of electronegative element. I hope you know very well, my dear, these things. How we can say adding and removal of oxygen and hydrogen, that is known as oxidation reaction as well as reduction reaction. But my dear, we discuss here how we can balance a redox reaction. My dear, for the balancing of a redox reaction, there is two methods. First one, ionic method, and second is the oxidation number method. Okay, which one? Ionic method and oxidation number method. And my dear, in the ionic method, it's very important. Here, medium is very important. Medium maybe either acidic medium, either the basic medium. If in a reaction, the more number of H+, the presence of H+ is found, that is known as acidic medium. Wherever, if the OH- that is hydroxyl ion are found, that is known as basic medium. Students, today I told you a very small formula how we can solve within 2 minutes. It's my challenge. When you follow the formula, I hope you can do within 2 minutes. within 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. I challenge that. But when you people are follow the formula, okay? Now we discuss that 1 ionic method. How this is used for the balancing of a reaction. But before that, I want to tell you formula. This is the formula AOHE. This is very different looking AOHE. A stands for atom, which is balanced by the multiply a number. Wherever O stands for oxygen, which is balanced by adding H2O, by adding H2O in opposite side of the oxygen. When I told you example, then you understand this thing very easily. Next thing is H, that means hydrogen. Hydrogen. This hydrogen is balanced by adding H plus ion in the opposite of the hydrogen. And last is very important. This is very peculiar point where the most of students do the mistakes. And I told here that where we do the mistakes. Okay? This is the electron. We are charged. I repeat again. A stands for atom, O stands for oxygen, and oxygen is balanced by the adding of H2O, and H stands for the hydrogen, and this is balanced by the adding of the H plus. Wherever E stands for the charge, and this charge is balanced by multiplying number. Okay, in both the half shell. Okay, now right here, as I told you, there is an oxidation as well as reaction. Both are happening simultaneously. That means no doubt there is some two half solutions. Now we discuss here how we can balance. I write here the formula MO, and how we can balance this reaction. I take one example here. Cr27 double minus plus Sn 2 plus to give Cr3 plus and plus Sn 4 plus. This is the reaction. I hope you know when they are going here the Sn2 plus Sn4 plus, they are get oxidation. There is an oxidation half separation. And here Cr27 double minus, this is goes here to Cr3 plus, that means reduction process. Okay, now we take the one by one. First, half cell oxidation. Okay, my dear. Now we are following the formula in how this is useful pattern. Okay, now right here, suppose Sn2 plus to give here the Sn4 plus. Now use how many atoms? One single atom, Sn. What about oxygen? No oxygen. What about hydrogen? No hydrogen. Only charge. Here 2 plus, here 4 plus. But here the 2 minus. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. And second half solution right here the reduction. That means Cr2O7 double minus to give here Cr3 plus. But here I told you only one step. How we can write single lines balancing? But here Cr2O7 double minus to give Cr3 plus. How many atoms of the Cr? 2 Cr in the reactant. How we can balance the atom? The first thing is the balancing the atom, then oxygen, then hydrogen, then electric charge. Okay, 2 Cr, right here 2 Cr3 plus. Balance, first step is completed. I write only one step. And second one, balance of oxygen. My dear, how many oxygen are there in the right hand side? 7 oxygen. But you know, my dear, in one molecule of water, this is contain only one oxygen. Then for 7 oxygen, we are adding here the 7H2O. How many H2O? 7H2O. The second step are completed. Next is hydrogen. What about the hydrogen? How this is added? On the opposite side of the hydrogen. 7 to the 14, right here the 14H plus. This is completed. Now we are coming towards the charge. Here the 14 minus 2 coming to 12, and here the 6 plus. What is the difference of the charge? Might be 6. There is the, if we are add here the 6 electrons, then this is the balance. Now add here the 6 electrons. Okay, this is the second equation. My dear, where our students do the big mistake. This is point. There is 6 electron, but in case of the first equation, there is a 2 electrons. Electrons must be balanced in either half cell reaction oxidation, either in half cell reaction of the reduction process. That's why we are multiplying. How we are multiplying? In first equation, this is equal to as the second one. My dear, there is 2. If we are multiplying by the 3 in first equation, then what we are get? We are getting here the 3Sn 2 plus to give here the 3Sn 4 plus the 6 electron. This is the next equation. Third one. Now these electrons are cancelled. Then we are getting overall reaction 14 H plus Cr2 O7 double minus plus 3Sn2 plus to give 2Cr3 plus and plus Sn4 plus and plus 7H2O. Now we are getting, my dear, this is a balanced reaction. Very easy, my dear. How we can use the formula? Now just to see here, I told you the presence of the H plus. This is indicate that this reaction is occurred in acidic medium. My dear, I told you a very new things for you. How we can change this reaction? How we can change this reaction from acidic to basic medium? Only by adding the OH minus sign. And same number, here the 14 OH minus and here also 14 OH minus. This OH minus and H plus to make water molecule, and they are getting neutralized, and then presence of the OH minus are preferred, and that's why this is changed into the basic medium. Okay, my dear, this is a very small segment. Now, those who are followers, I challenge that, my dear, you can do single lines. How you can explain the things? Only remember the formula A, O, H, and E. Atom, oxygen, hydrogen, and electric charge. My dear, these sequence must be in this given sequence. Like as first we have atom, then oxygen, then hydrogen, then electric charge. Okay, my dear, I hope you people are listen these things and you do the examples. Okay, thank you. We meet soon in next lecture.